Hi friends, Christmas has come and we have something very special with Merry Bakes today. The one person that every child eagerly waits during Christmas is their very own Santa Claus. So Merry Bakes has crafted this Santa Claus in a very unique way. Here Santa is crafted in the form of a sweet bun. So let's get started and check out the recipe. The first step is to activate the yeast. For that I've taken 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. If you are using instant yeast, this step can be skipped. So into this I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of sugar. Sugar is very important to activate the yeast. Into this I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of warm water. If you are using instant yeast, it can directly be added into the flour mixture. Let's stir this and keep it aside to rest for 5 minutes till it gets activated. I'll be making this bun with egg, which is optional. If you wish, you can avoid it as well. Into a bowl with 2 cups of flour, I've added in the egg and in goes a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of butter at room temperature. Into this, I'm adding in 1/4 cup of dry fruits that's been soaked in orange juice. Adding the dry fruits is also optional and it's not necessary to soak them. You can add them as it is as well. Here I've taken 3/4 cup of warm milk, into which I'll be adding 4 tablespoons of sugar. So let's add this into it so that the sugar will get dissolved in the milk. Let's take a spoon and stir it across. We'll be making the dough with the milk, so just add the milk in batches to make it a perfect dough. Into this I'll be adding the activated yeast as well. Let's mix this with a wooden spoon till everything gets well incorporated. To make the dough, you can replace milk with water as well. For those who prefer water, they can go ahead and make the dough with water as well. I think my dough needs a little more milk, so I'm just adding in some more milk and just mix this. Okay, that's done now. Now we'll use our hands to make this a firm dough. In order to get soft and fluffy buns, it's very important to knead the dough very well. The more you knead, the more soft the buns would be. So just take the dough and using your hands, just knead it well on your countertop till it's soft like this. Now we shall keep it into a bowl. Just grease the bowl with little oil and let it ferment for 2 hours or till it becomes double in size. Let it rest in a warm place for fermentation. Okay, it's 2 hours now. I've just taken up the dough. It's come double the size. I'll just knead this dough again on the countertop. Now we'll just separate this into equal halves and one half will be rolled with a rolling pin. To get the shape is very important. So the first half will be rolled to get the base of the Santa Claus. So just follow as shown in the video. The base would be little more broad than the other end. Okay, so that's done over there. We'll just keep this aside. Now we'll take the second dough now. Just roll this out as shown, just into elongated shape. So both the doughs are rolled out now. Now taking a knife, cut it into pieces as shown, into widths like this. Okay, so one part of the dough is almost ready there. Now in the first part, we'll cut it into thin strips like this. The same will be done to the other dough as well, which is rolled out in the end, that is towards the broader side. Now let's place this on top of the first dough, and now take each and every strip and roll it out like this into the spiral shape. This has to be done for all the pieces that are cut, and then later we can interlock this with the bottom layer like as shown in the video. On the next strip as well, making slits like shown in the video. Place this on top of the dough like shown. Now make spirals on these cut pieces as well like shown in the video and adjust it like a beard of our Santa Claus. Now take the next piece after leaving a small gap and tuck it inside the first layer. Fold the other side like a cap. Now roll out 2 small balls and keep it as the nose and the top of the cap. Place 2 raisins as the eyes. Now let this rest for half an hour. Now we have to do the egg wash. This is 1 egg that is beaten well. Using a brush, I'm just brushing this along the bun. Into little of the egg wash, I've added 2 drops of red color, and using the brush, I'll be just brushing the nose and the cap. Bun is baked in a preheated oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. There it is, our Santa is ready with a shiny nose and a red cap, all set to celebrate Christmas. I hope this video was innovative to make an edible Santa bun. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching Merry Bakes.